8 a.m. We're waiting for our ride to head to the Statue of Unity. We got a long 3-hour drive today.
One way.
How we watch our show on long drives or on the plane. We go to the ticket window in person because we didn't get our ticket online because this wasn't planned ahead of time. Hopefully we get a ticket.
This is the one thing I really wanted to see.
No one's planning out how we're gonna convince them to give us a ticket. He's like, we have to pull out the innocent tourist card.
And we didn't know, nobody told us about the ticketing thing, and we didn't know it'd be sold out.
Okay, let's hope it works. Okay, sad update. We didn't get tickets to go up and, wait, what's that even called? Viewing?
Well, just go to the top of the Statue of Liberty. I think you go on the hand or something. Right?
Statue of Liberty.
I mean, Unity. I keep saying Unity.
Okay, so then she was like, oh, you can go see if someone's gonna sell it to you. So then I asked the first tourist looking people we saw, but they also didn't have tickets. And the saddest part about this is that if we came 30 minutes earlier, we would have gotten it. Plan ahead of time. That's the only tip we have.
Book, if you want to go to the top, book your tickets ahead of time. Other than that, everything else is pretty
straightforward.
easy, yeah.
Okay, so now we're just gonna try to make the most of the couple hours we have and do some other activities. Lots to do here. We gotta get on a bus to get anywhere within this park area. Right, there it is. And this is the beautiful viewpoint.
Did you get the sign?
Oh no, I didn't even see that. Nice. These are electric little vehicles. So we paid 300 rupees for the entry ticket for both of us. We just realized the girl probably sold us the local ticket and that's why it was so cheap.
Because she was talking in Gujarati.
Yeah, because I was talking in Gujarati. But the foreigner ticket is probably more expensive, so don't hold us accountable for saying that it's 300 rupees for both of us.
Yeah.
That's the ticket rate for foreign visitors. So there's a lot of area, like a lot of space for people to sit, eat, just hang out here. We're heading to the food court first because somebody's a little hungry. Subway menu, paneer tikka. I can't pick between that and the honest pizza. Ah! Starbucks looks very different from the last one we went to. They all have different items. I'm getting the paneer tikka. Oh, it's our first Subway experience in India. The paneer tikka is okay. Didn't love it. How's your food?
Pretty good. You want to try?
Yeah, I'll try after. So we paid $7.83 for 2 footlongs. That's just over $10. So yeah, way cheaper. Oh yeah, including a large drink. Way cheaper than Canada. Finished security check. And we're getting closer to the statue. So we learned a lot about the person who the statue was made after, Sarovar. He was a freedom fighter. It was built in just 4 years. I think the entire statue is made from pre-owned iron farming tools. To summarize all of this, Sardar Patel unified all the different areas of India and literally just made the government. Like he made the government of India. There it is. We just finished up in that center over there where we learned a lot of information. Now we're taking the escalator up to get closer to the statue. This is the Sardar Sarovar Dam, which is one of the largest dams in the world. Okay, whoa. We're right by his feet. This is his one toenail right here. It's huge. Views around the statue are really nice too. All right, we're heading back down. The statue looked really big the closer and closer you get. Okay, we got the cold coffee frappuccino because we're burning hot. First Starbucks cold coffee from India. Pretty good. But we've had much better coffee in local shops. For sure. Okay, that's it. This cow casually chilling in the road divider. So you can either pay one of these rickshaw thingies to take you to the next stop, or you can use the bus services, which are free and included in your ticket. We were originally thinking of going bicycle riding, but it is way too hot. So we're probably gonna opt out of that. But we're gonna go to something called Valley of Gardens or Valley of Flowers.
Valley of Flowers.
That's also included in our ticket. This is the entrance to the Valley of Flowers.
Oh look, these views are...
These are the flowers. There's the statue. Weather is beautiful. I just jumped on this bus while it was moving. Proud moment, okay? I'm full on a local now. We're back in the car and heading out. We learned a lot about Sardar Patel today. He was the first Home Minister of India, and he played a really big role in basically creating the government of India and bringing all like the different parts of it together, and that's why it's called the Statue of Unity, to represent the unionship like of India basically. So we read a lot and it was fun. The information was good. We didn't get to go up, unfortunately, but then we went to the gardens, the Valley of Flowers, which was kind of nice. It was just a short little walk with some flowers around, but overall
There's a lot to do here if you really want to plan a whole day out with the family or something.
yeah, there's a lot to do for like people of all age groups, but it was really hot, so we didn't really feel like doing too much. Also, we were short on time, so we got the main part done, which was the Statue of Unity, and it is actually really nice. It's huge, and the closer you get to it, the more like shocked you get. So that was cool. Yeah, worth the visit, but come prepared in advance. Buy your tickets ahead of time, and then come like all day, right?
Yeah.